Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the wireless power sharing in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening up the settings, and from here scroll down a little bit until you see the battery. Here just go down a little bit until you see the wireless power sharing option. And here you can turn it on and set the battery limit to whatever is your preferable one. For example, you can put in the 30. And if we turn it on, turn off your phone and put it on its front like this. And for example, I have my iPhone here, and if I put it like this, back to back, as you can see, my iPhone is charging. So, if you considered this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.